Good morning, students. Welcome to all of you here in this video tutorial. And today I'm going to explain a topic rocks of class 7 geography chapter number 2. In my previous video tutorial of class 7 geography chapter number 2, I have explained half of the chapter. I have already explained about three major layers of the earth. Number 1 is crust, number 2 is mantle, and number 3 is core. So, the earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. And now, what do you understand by rocks? So, come, let's hear. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is called rock. And you know what? Rocks can be of different color, different size, and different texture also. There are three major types of rocks. How many major types of rocks? Three major types of rocks. Number 1, igneous rocks. Number 2, sedimentary rocks. Number 3, metamorphic rocks. Now, first of all, comes to the igneous rocks. What do you understand by igneous rock? When the molten magma cools and it becomes solid, rocks thus formed are called igneous rocks. They are also called primary rocks. What it called? Primary rocks. Igneous rocks can be divided into two types. The number 1, intrusive igneous rocks. Number 2, extrusive igneous rocks. Now first, let's come here. Intrusive igneous rocks. Now tell me one thing. Can you imagine lava coming out from the volcanoes? Yes. Lava is actually fiery red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface. So, sometime the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth. Where it cools down? Deep inside the earth crust. Solid rocks are formed are called intrusive igneous rocks. And the example of intrusive igneous rocks, granite. Now comes to the next one, extrusive rocks. When this molten lava comes on the earth surface, where it comes on the earth surface and it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rock, and the example is basalt. Got it? Now come to the next one, sedimentary rocks. Rocks roll down, crack and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. What it called? Sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind and water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. What it forms? Layers of rocks. These types of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. What it called? Sedimentary rocks. And the example, sandstone is made from grains of sand. These rocks may also contains what it contains? Fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Now, come to the last one is metamorphic rocks. Which is the last one? Metamorphic rocks. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks. Which two kinds of rocks can be changed? Igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. These two kinds of rocks can be changed into metamorphic rocks when there is under great heat and under great pressure. Then this kind of rocks is called metamorphic rocks. Example is clay changes into slate and limestones into marble. These two examples. Clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. So all of you got it about three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, yes, metamorphic, igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And in my next video tutorial, I will explain about why rocks are very useful to us and about rock cycle also. Thank you all of you. Have a good day ahead.